Welcome to biology classes. Today my topic is mammary gland. Mammary gland present in both male and female in human, but functional only in human female. Mammary gland also present in prototherian, both male and female, but functional in both. Mammary gland in prototherian present but without nipple. Metatherian and eutherian present in both, but functional only in female. Mammary gland is a modification of sweet gland. Mammary gland is also a type of apocrine gland. Mammary gland also is a type of compound tubuloalveolar gland. Mammary gland present in human female functional at puberty when hormonal change takes place. Before puberty, not functional in human female because estrogen and progesterone suppress the effect of prolactin hormone. Here I discuss about a structure of mammary gland. Ribs, 12 pairs rib present in human, 7 pairs known as true ribs, 3 pairs 8, 9, 10 is known as false rib, and 11 and 12 pairs ribs is known as floating ribs. And in between the ribs, intercostal muscle is present. After intercostal muscles, pectoralis major muscle is present in which mammary gland support, and mammary gland is surrounded by fat or adipose tissue. Mammary gland contains 15 to 20 mammary lobules, or each lobule contains many alveoli where formation of milk takes place, and many alveoli open into many mammary tubule. Mammary tubule open into mammary duct. Mammary duct open into mammary ampulla. Ampulla means dilated part of mammary duct where temporary storage of milk takes place. Then after mammary ampulla open into lactiferous duct or lactiferous duct finally open through nipple. Nipple surrounded by black or dark color pigment known as areola. Areola is a modification of sebaceous gland or Ehrlich gland which lubricate nipples. Formation of milk in alveoli, then come mammary tubule, then come mammary duct, then come mammary ampulla, then come lactiferous duct, finally open out. As mammary duct is regulated by many hormones, as for example estrogen, progesterone, prolactin, oxytocin. Oxytocin is known as milk let-down hormone because oxytocin released from posterior pituitary and contraction of muscle takes place by oxytocin result ejection of milk takes place. Estrogen hormonal hormonal regulation of mammary gland. Estrogen estrogen regulate ductal system of breast, जैसे मेमोरी ट्यूब्यूल, मेमोरी डक्ट, लैक्टिफेरस डक्ट. प्रोगेस्टेरॉन प्रोगेस्टेरॉन proliferate proliferate mammary alveoli where synthesis of milk takes place. Third, prolactin help in milk synthesis. Oxytocin, also known as milk letdown hormone, milk letdown hormone, synthesis of milk almost 1.5 liter in 24 hours in healthy female. If not have any type of disease, if female is healthy, then synthesis of milk almost 1.5 liter per day. First 2 to 3 days milk is known as colostrum. First 2 to 3 days milk is known as colostrum. Colostrum contain highly protective antibody IgA. IgA is known as secretory antibody. IgA provide immunity to fetus or child to protect from many disease, and also contain some vitamins, minerals. Iron content less in milk, human milk. In 24 hours, almost 25 to 30 gram weight increases per day of human child if sufficient amount of milk take, take by mother. Almost 25 to 50 gram weight increases of child per day. Before childbirth, before childbirth, female not produces milk, milk because estrogen and progesterone suppress prolactin concentration. At regular interval, breast empty because peptide inhibitory hormone accumulate on nipples. Okay.